Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to make very distingue ruby tassel earrings. You need size 10 seed beads, 2 caps, 2 pins, 2 10mm crystal beads, 4 4mm crystal beads, thread, needle, and scissors. I will use the beautiful caps with holes at the bottom and with a central hole for the pin. Caps ordered from the site AliExpress. The link you can find in the description below the video. Now I'll show you how I make tassels. I use an unrequired credit card for spooling the thread. For convenience, I stick the end of the thread to the card with adhesive tape. I spool the thread 500 times. Of course, you can do it as much as you need to. In the center of my self-made spool, I tightly bandage the threads. Exactly in the center of the card, make a mark with a marker. Using the blade, I cut the threads. Bend the thread in half and tie the tassel, as shown here in the video. The end of the thread is inserted into the needle, and we pass through all the wound rows. We wrap the needle around the thread a couple times and tighten it. To straighten the threads, we steam the tassels above the boiling water for about 1 minute. I insert about 3 meters of thread into the needle, enter any hole in the cap, and tie a few knots, leaving a tail about 5 centimeters. I pass the needle from the inside out and pull the thread well so that the knot hides in the inside of the cap. The quantity of seed beads should be such that the length of the beaded tassel is the same as the length of the thread tassel. I remove the last seed bead and pass the needle through the rest of the seed beads. I enter the needle in the same hole where the thread comes from. And then I come out from the next hole in the cap. I string the next 48 seed beads, and so on. At the end, I fix the thread. I wrap the thread around the needle 2 times and tighten it. Then, I connect both tails to several ties in the inside part of the cap. Push a pin through the top of the tassel from the bottom up. String 2 4mm crystal beads and 1 10mm crystal bead. I fold the pin at a right angle and make a loop. Well, that's all. Our trendy, gentle, beautiful tassel earrings are done. As you can see, there is nothing difficult in their making. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be grateful if you subscribe to my channel.